I welcome the efforts to restart the peace talks. NATO supported the talks because we believe that we need a political negotiated solution in Afghanistan. The US has consulted closely with other NATO allies and partners throughout the process, both also at the political level, but also, of course, for instance, Ambassador Khalilzad has been many times in Brussels. So we are closely consulting on the efforts to restart the peace talks in Afghanistan. I welcome also, of course, the efforts to try to either have some kind of ceasefire and or at least reduction in violence, but I will not be specific on the exact preconditions for restarting the peace talks. What I can say is that we are committed to continue to support Afghanistan, because we strongly believe that the best way NATO can support the peace efforts is to train, assist and advise the Afghan security forces so Taliban understand that they will never win on the battlefield. They have to sit down and make real and serious compromises on the negotiating table. So we will continue to be in Afghanistan, and then we really hope that the peace process will provide us with a credible peace.